Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your Swagbucks earning profile so you can start earning rewards in just minutes. Follow these simple steps to maximize your Swagbucks experience. Step 1. Create your Swagbucks account. If you haven't done so already, the first step is to create your Swagbucks account. Visit the official Swagbucks website and click on the Join button. Fill in the required information such as your email address and a secure password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions before hitting the Sign Up button. Step 2. Confirm your email address. After signing up, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Swagbucks. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial as it activates your account and allows you to start earning Swagbucks, SB. Step 3. Complete your profile. Log into your Swagbucks account and complete your profile. Click on Account Settings and fill out any additional information required. Completing your profile accurately will help Swagbucks tailor offers and surveys that best fit your preferences, leading to more earning opportunities. Step 4. Explore the earning options. Navigate to the Earn section of the website or app. Here, you'll find various ways to earn Swagbucks, including taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. Take some time to explore these options and determine which methods suit your lifestyle best. Step 5. Activate your earning profile. To activate your earning profile, you may need to fill out specific surveys or complete tasks. Head to the Surveys section and look for available surveys. By participating in these, you'll start accumulating SB swiftly. Make sure to check back regularly as new surveys and offers are added often. Step 6. Set notifications. To stay updated on new earning opportunities, activate notifications for Swagbucks. Go to your account settings and enable notifications via email or push notifications on your app. This way, you won't miss out on limited time offers or new surveys. Step 7. Start earning. Now that your earning profile is activated, begin exploring different ways to earn, whether it's completing daily tasks, checking out special promotions, or participating in contests. Each action can help you accumulate Swagbucks. Enjoy the process and watch your SB grow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy earning!